Let's go. I like that they took the speed bumps off here.
Yeah, me too.
So much better.
I'm getting it sideways.
Tires are a bit cold.
That's fine. We'll work with that. Right out to the edge.
Conditions are great, not too
Yeah.
much people.
Oh.
So the car does rub up a lot in Vauxhall, so don't be
That's alright.
surprised.
Let's see how much it does.
Yeah, and I have to lift.
Could feel the tires squirming there.
Yeah, if I have a passenger, like we were at like 235 there, when I'm alone at like 245, but if I do that with a passenger, I'm just like the suspension bottoms out,
Yep.
and I don't want that in Vauxhall.
No.
So just keeping it safe. Same thing in Cayman, I have to lift with the passenger.
Yep. Oh, a nice line through here. Yes. My preferred line through there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I like it that way. It's nice and smooth. You don't get the bump.
No. I was having a discussion yesterday with someone about it, and they said, no, you will not teach me and tell me how to drive my car. I was like, okay.
Okay. I always like trying new lines.
Yeah,
I have a particular line before Carousel.
yeah.
Everybody tells me it's weird, but I think it works well. I like it. You'll tell me if it's weird.
I'll see.
I think that's Robin.
This one.
Yeah.
Hello,
Yeah, it is.
mate. Woohoo!
Foot slides.
Yeah.
Power.
Yeah, you can do that. I can't do that.
Yeah.
Because my car then just stops. Wow. trying to do towards carousel.
Oh yeah. Well, with a powerful car,
Yeah.
I would go like with the M2. I would go on the left, like everyone, like
Yeah.
this. But with my car, I just stay here, and I brake here, put second gear, and I stay on the right, and then I just floor it from here. Cause like I don't have a lot of power, so I don't need to use like all of the track. Cause just at the apex, I'm flooring it, and I don't need to go as wide.
Yeah.
So I think it works, and it usually helps me to catch up. Like when there's a 500 horsepower car.
Yeah.
Usually I try to catch up at that part.
It's almost like a front wheel drive line.
Yeah.
Because I do it too with my car.
Yeah, but I find that a lot of small hot hatch lines work well with the GT4. Like even in Spa, in the Brussels
Yep.
corner, same thing. Like I really like go to the end of the corner, I stay inside. I think it works well. Otherwise it bottoms out. Usually I take it, but now I have to stay outside.
You don't need Ripperman though.
Yeah, I don't take the first one.
I've tried it.
I find that the second one gives you like a little less angle on the steering wheel.
Yeah,
It
true.
helps a bit, but you have to take it properly. If you take it like 50 centimeters off,
Yeah, no, that doesn't
like the
work.
car just like jumps, you know. And it's fun.
Yeah.
But it depends. Like with the GT3, you can take like almost all the curbs.
Yeah.
With the GT4, like I don't take the curb up there, you know.
Ijskurve. The
Yeah.
curb at Ijskurve.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I don't take. I find that it unsettles the car a lot.
If I have a passenger, I tend to take a little bit more of them because it's fun for them.
Yeah.
And my
true.
car can take it because it still has a fair bit of play in the suspension.
Yeah. Well, before my suspension was like shot,
Yeah.
I could do it. But now it bottoms out, and that's not good. So.
Do you also bottom out going towards Fransgarten?
No. No,
Zelf?
I can take that full send with a passenger. Like no problem.
Because I was with somebody else in a GT4 and they bottomed out about here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I don't have that problem. But I'm putting a bolt-on suspension on
All right.
this winter.
Freeway?
Yeah, 3-way.
That'll be good.
Yeah.
Will really transform the car a lot.
Yeah, I was supposed to have them a long time ago, but they weren't ready yet, so it'll be for next season.
Yeah. Bottomed out there a bit.
Yeah, it does. I came out a bit early just because it's fun.
Yeah, the car jumps.
Yeah. Want to go for another?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.